Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm coming to you today. But before we get started, of course you already know what I'm going to say. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can come with me along on this journey. We are growing together, we are improving. I'm thinking of ways to better my content daily, and I'm just loving the process, so you don't want to miss it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my October favorites. October was a good month for me all around, and I truly appreciate everyone's support and where we are right now. This month was really good for me, but I'm showing you some of my favorites just from, you know, all around. A lot of these things I actually bought for one of the trips that I took recently. And if you don't follow me on Instagram at rock_natural, what are you doing? Why aren't you following me? Be sure to go follow me on Instagram so you can see all my posts when I'm not posting to YouTube. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to be talking about, which I actually have on today, is this Revlon Color Stay. So this is for a combination to oily skin, and it has a matte finish. So like I said, most of these things I did purchase for my most recent trip because I was on the island, and I wanted some foundation because I knew I would be in the water, and I wanted it just to be sweat proof all around. So I purchased this Color Stay from Ulta, and the one thing I love about this is that it is matte. The only thing that I was struggling with when I first purchased it was finding the right color, because they also have, so since they have the combination to oily skin, they also have dry to normal skin. I think that's what it is. And so it was hard to find a shade that matched me, which I think this one is still a little too dark, and it was okay for me to purchase it dark because I knew I would be getting a tan, and then I can use the concealers to kind of brighten it up all around. But other than that, I would say that this really does keep my skin matte. I did just recently do a video showing you some powders that I use to help with oily skin as well, so be sure to check out that video. But outside of that, it's always good to find a foundation that is good for matte skin. The only thing with matte foundations is that when you're putting it on, it can kind of create a weird, it can look blotchy if you don't do it the correct way. So that's the only thing to keep your eye out for matte foundations. But this product did justice, and I'm actually wearing it today because I was like, oh, this is the perfect shade to use with my tan. The next product that we're going to be talking about, I actually got this as well, is this Pacifica Crystal Bronze Shimmering Body Oil. Boost your aura with a bronzing glow plus vanilla, tuberose, coconut, and quartz. Create your bliss. This is 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I had this big bottle, but what I did is put a little bit in a spray bottle, and then I would use this in combination with my lotion. So I would spray some of this with my lotion and then rub this all over my skin. So as you can see, it does give me quite a bit of shimmer, and I loved it because anytime you're at the beach, you know, you want to make sure you, or maybe it's just me, but most people I was with wanted to make sure that their body was glowing, especially for the pictures, and you're just feeling good, your body's moisturized, especially because you're all in the water and the sand. And so this product did justice. The next product I'm going to be talking about are these NYX Vivid Brights. And like I said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be doing a photo using these. I did wear these. There was a neon theme type event on my most recent trip, and so I did wear these for the neon day, and they came out super cute, and they were actually really vivid. Someone came up to me and it was dark, and they were like, oh, what do you have on your eyes? And I was like, girl, I have these NYX Vivid Light Brights liners, and they're super cute, so I can't wait to use them and show you what they look like. But you have to be following me on Instagram to see what they look like. The next product that I purchased a while ago, I'm cutting back on my purchasing, but you know, when you're traveling, you want to get a lot of new stuff. I did not purchase this for my travel, but I did take it with me, and I believe I already talked about this, or I used it in one of my most recent videos, but it's this ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. And it's actually really cute, and I like all the colors in it. These are all colors that I love, and then as well as the glow product. So it's kind of like a chunky glitter, which I was looking for chunky glitter at the time of this purchase. And so it's perfect if you want not like the light shimmer, but like you want the actual chunky glitter. And this is what this palette was great for. You can also, if you want it to be more of like a silver color, I actually use this that way. So I would put a little bit of this gold chunky glitter here, and then I went back with a silver color-ish, and it actually turned the glitter more silver than gold, and that's perfect. So you can also do this as well. The one last product that I wanted to talk about, which is kind of funny and kind of different than what I've talked about before, but I am talking about lifestyle and ways to, you know, manage life and keep things fun and balanced. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is this Poo-Pourri. You've probably seen a lot of commercials for this. So anytime you're traveling with people and you're eating different foods, you know, you have to keep your system going. You have to keep going to the bathroom and like letting all that out. And so this Poo-Pourri was actually really great because it's a before you go spray. And so you spray a little bit in the toilet, like 2 to 3 pumps in the toilet before you go to the bathroom. And then the smell is vanished. So I was like, this can't be real. Let me see if this actually works. And it did work. And you know, it's funny because another girl on the trip with me actually brought the same thing with her, and I was like, oh, this is funny because, you know, we're all women and, you know, we know that this is going to happen, but we want to be conscious of the other people in the room that we're sharing hotels with, things like that. So you could purchase this. I believe I got this off of Amazon, and it's perfect for those times where gotta go right now. And so yeah, this has natural essential oils, and it tells you everything you need to go. They have actually really big sizes. This one was perfect because it was 2 ounces. And so yeah, you can, I purchased this offline, but the other day I was at Ulta and I saw it at Ulta as well. So well, that is all for my October favorites. I feel like I was talking really fast, but you know, as I do more of these videos and I'm using these products more, it's easy for me just to talk about them. I can't believe we're already, I mean, this will go live in November, and so that means I have 2 more months of this, and then I'm going to reevaluate next year and see if it was something that you all actually liked. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like me sharing, or if I should do a huge one every 2 to 3 months. It's really helpful if you leave your comments down below and let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next upload. But before we go, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!